Companion planting is one of the most misunderstood areas of gardening. GrowTrack does give companion planting recommendations, but it's important to understand what those recommendations mean. When you open the companion planting guide, GrowTrack shows you three things: the crop you have selected, plants that are generally good companions, and plants that are best avoided nearby. These recommendations are based on known interactions between plants, competition for nutrients, growth habits and spacing, root behaviour, shared pest and disease pressure. GrowTrack uses this information to highlight patterns that matter in real gardens. When GrowTrack lists good companions, it means those plants are known to coexist well. They tend not to compete aggressively, they often share similar needs, and they usually do not increase pest or risk disease. When GrowTrack lists plants to avoid nearby, it does not mean failure is guaranteed. It means there's a known interaction worth paying attention to. That interaction might be strong competition, poor growth alongside each other, or increased pest or disease pressure. These recommendations are there to inform, not alarm. Most home gardens already grow mixed crops naturally. Different plants share beds, plantings overlap through the season, organic matter is added regularly. In many cases, this diversity already reduces the risk. That is why GrowTrack presents companion planting as guidance. It gives you clear recommendations while still leaving decisions in your hands. Is spacing generous? Is airflow good? Is soil well fed? Have problems appeared in this space before? Sometimes the right choice is to separate crops. Sometimes the right choice is to proceed anyway. GrowTrack supports both approaches as long as the decision is intentional. Companion planting recommendations become more important in tighter spaces, small beds, containers, high density growing. In these situations, competition and airflow matter more, and GrowTrack's guidance carries more weight. If you want more clarity, Rowan can explain why a recommendation appears and how it applies to your specific setup. The goal of companion planting in GrowTrack is not perfection, it is awareness. Use the recommendations to reduce risk, not to limit creativity. In the next video, we will look at yield forecasts and explain what predictions mean and how to use them sensibly.